Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel The Taste Digest. नमस्कार, टेस्ट डाइजेस्टमा यहाँहरूलाई स्वागत छ। Before moving on any further, let me remind you to please subscribe to our channel to promote e-learning. Also hit the bell icon down there to get notifications and never miss any important updates from us. कृपया सब्स्क्राइब बटनमा थिचेर सब्स्क्राइब गरिदिनु हुन अनुरोध छ। साथसाथै बेल आइकनमा पनि थिचिदिनु हुन अनुरोध छ।
Hello everyone, today we are going to learn the basic concept of volumetric analysis. If you have played this video, you can well relate with my issues regarding volumetric analysis when I was at your stage. I guess we all must have faced similar issues regarding different terms and terminologies in this chapter. Well, the actual concept of volumetric analysis is standardizing the solution of chemicals. Let's have an example. If you need to make a cup of coffee, you know exactly how much coffee powder and sugar you need to take with certain amount of water to obtain your perfect cup of coffee. Similar is the case here. You need to analyze the amount of substance or say chemical that you need to mix in a solution or solvent to obtain your standard solution. As you can read on the screen, we can more specifically define volumetric analysis as any method of quantitative chemical analysis in which the amount of substance is determined by measuring the volume that it occupies, or in broader sense, the volume of second substance that combines with the first in known proportion, more correctly called titration. Volumetric analysis generally works under a principle. It is based upon the law of chemical equivalence. So if you remember the law of chemical equivalence, it states that the substances react in their equivalent proportions. For your general understanding of the concept, you can visualize making a cup of coffee. If it takes you 2 spoons of sugar for every 1 glass of water to make a cup of coffee, how much sugar would you need to make 3 cups of coffee of the same taste? 6 spoons for 3 glasses of water, if I'm right. So basically what I'm trying to tell you is that for any compound to form, the required chemicals will react only if they are in fixed proportions. Let's take a further look at it. As you can see on the screen, 1 gram equivalent of hydrochloric acid react with only 1 gram of sodium hydroxide because they are in equal proportion. Since 1 gram of HCl is equivalent to molecular weight of it, the same is in case of NaOH. So 36.5 grams of HCl react with 40 gram of NaOH. And again, as you can see in case of volume, concentration is measured, which is why 1000 cc of 1 normal HCl can react with same volume of 1 normal sodium hydroxide. Now, since we mentioned the terms concentration and normality, let's look at some basic terms considered for measuring concentration, which is molarity and normality. To differentiate between them, molarity is defined as number of mole of substance dissolved in a liter of its solution, whereas the number of gram equivalent of substance dissolved in 1 liter of its solution is called normality. Both are the units of concentration. Now let us solve a question to further understand the concept of concentration. You have 1 minute to solve this. Please try this for yourself. Your time is up. Did you solve the question? If you did, comment on your answers below. Let's move to the solution. As you can see, the question is asking to find the concentration of the solution in terms of molarity. So, molarity is the number of moles per liter of solution. We need to find out the number of moles first. Since the molecular weight of glucose is 180.16 gram per mole, so number of moles is given by the weight of glucose divided by its molecular mass. After we get the number of moles, we need to find the volume of solution in liters, which is 405 milliliter, that is equivalent to 0.45 liters. Thus, we get the molarity of the solution is 0.140 mole. So this is the pretty much for today's video. I hope you had a wonderful time learning the basic concept of volumetric analysis. Do like and subscribe to the channel for all the upcoming content that will benefit your academic career. Goodbye.